Walau Menteri Katanat PHE welakam baka jing kalong nama bom yuk Jaka bante yak Skhim sam Mookaiaw water supply scheme Mookaiaw na kalyang kathai ba nujol ki sunga la pentip ba yak Jaka don jing nama ba kibreu ki kloi ban ai singobha habawan ra jing kli hol kani mentak singi hapok ing dua thau an Mookaiaw ba nujol ki laong bagi paj ba kilai snong kathai Mookaiaw kai kendu jing na ka jing bom biang bam di bat wapan kan mau bagi breu ki haban kedang step pharngap ban leitong nawa bom biang ka hasnong laong ru ba ka jingbun breu hagilai tri isnong ka tega thai Mookaiaw klakot syaka khasan hajar ngot kentup ajar aispa tam ki tunum yeng bat wa kentu yang menteri bat penstet no ya kam na kali yang menteri ka PSC haba juba blokani Marcus and Marak laong ba ka soka ka don ka jingpen khrep ban mang pisa ban te yak Skhim sam ha ka tega thai Menteri wa ongru ba ka jing kadai nama ba katanat kampat iyo ya ke Jaka hendrai lapan pau ya ke jing sngeu tanat bau MLA ka thanya pentikna ba ya ke Jaka kam don jing ban yo ba laong batang suyo ya ke Jaka on pen kre no ya ke DPR ni ke detail project report.
2. So the DPR shall be prepared immediately on receipt of the land required for construction.
Yes, your supplementary questions, please.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. So I would just like to know from the Honourable Minister, what is the total number of household and population in these 3 villages, sir?
So it's 4 villages: Mookaiaw, Mookaiaw A, Mookaiaw B, Mookaiaw. So total number of population as per the census to 2011 is 9,058, sir, and household is 1387.
Sir, it has been more than 10 years now since 2011 census. So as per the record that is available with me, the total number of household is more than 2,300. And the total population is nearly 15,000, sir. So, another supplementary question. I would like to know from the Honourable Minister, sir, what are the different components under this proposal, sir?
So the different components will be, construction of a dam for the intake point and water treatment plant, sir.
Yes, sir. So I used to remember when we were still young, we used to wake up in the morning, early at 1 a.m., 2 a.m. in the morning, we used to fetch water, sir. So that's why, sir, till now, the problem exists till now. So that's why, sir, I would like to request our Honourable Minister, sir, whether the government is actively considering to sanction this proposal, sir?
So yes, sir.
One more supplementary, sir. First of all, sir, I would like to thank the Honourable Minister for the positive response, sir. So since the answer is yes, may I know, sir, whether there is any specific timeline? Because till now we are suffering, sir, because of water shortage. So that's why, sir, if we can get a specific timeline as to when this proposal will be sanctioned, sir. Because I can assure the House, as far as land, there is no issue, sir. I can assure the House, we will get a land, sir.
I would like to thank Honourable Member for assuring the land issue. But as per record here, sir, Executive Engineer has already called a meeting for this particular matter, for this land issues and all. But till now, the department has not received any land.
To the House, we will get the land, sir.
I would like to thank Honourable Member for assuring the land issue. But as per the record here, sir, Executive Engineer has already called a meeting for this particular matter, for this land issues and all. But till now, the department has not received any land issues. So I would request you, through you, sir, Honourable Member, if he can pursue it at the earliest. And
also, he has already assured that there won't be any problem with regard to the land issue. So I can assure you that, sir, and we'll take the necessary step and we'll make the necessary arrangement for the land, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Now we move on to next